Jacob Vi has been super helpful for me to understand the big vision, clear path, simple tools kind of process that he uses. So we had a discussion in Oklahoma City about what's going to bring unity to us is going to be the clear path. If we get into simple tools, we're going to fight with each other. Because we're seeing a lot of guys in Oklahoma City take in no place left and spit it back out in their language. And I don't want to get in the way of that. I feel like if someone can eat it and then spit it back out in their language, then that means they understand it better than if they just said what I said. Yeah. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. And so we're really encouraging, like Mark, for instance, he's got a whole slew of guys that are running with him. Well, if he's got 30 leaders gathered around him, if he wants to call 3/3 something different, then I don't care. They've got the same principles behind it. So we spent a lot of time on the last training talking about how we need to really rally around entry, gospel, discipleship, church, and leadership development. And then we picked a core set of tools that we chose to train together for catalytic purposes. Even though those may not be the ones that like I use or that they use, we chose. Does that make sense? We just picked tools and we all said, okay, we may not use these every day, but for the sake of catalyzing stuff and for the sake of training together and for the sake of us being able to go, hey, I've got 6 pastors that need to be trained. I can't go. Who can do that? And we know at any given point that somebody can go do that. We're picking those, and then we're saying if we develop a coaching relationship, because we're finding that people connect better with others. So someone might connect with me, they might connect with Mark, they might connect with Daniel, they might connect with Carter. And so rather than us trying to all circle around them, we're saying, you go coach that group and I'll go stir up somewhere else. Does that make sense?